Robotics is indeed an upcoming and rapidly evolving technology with a wide range of applications and implications for various industries and aspects of our lives. Here are some key aspects and trends in robotics as of my last knowledge update in September 2021. But please keep in mind that advancements may have occurred since then. Artificial intelligence integration. Robotics is becoming increasingly intertwined with artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. AI enables robots to perceive their environment, make decisions, and adapt to changing conditions autonomously. This is especially important in fields like autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, and healthcare. Collaborative robotics, cobots. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work alongside humans safely. They are used in manufacturing, healthcare, and other industries where human-robot collaboration is necessary. These robots are equipped with sensors and algorithms that allow them to detect and respond to human presence, making them safer to work with. Autonomous vehicles and drones. Autonomous vehicles, including self-driving cars and drones, are becoming more prevalent. These robots have the potential to transform transportation and logistics, offering improved safety and efficiency. Robotics in healthcare. Robots are playing an increasingly important role in healthcare. Surgical robots assist surgeons in performing complex procedures with precision, and robots are used for tasks like patient care and medication delivery in hospitals and long-term care facilities. Agricultural robotics. Robotics is being used in agriculture for tasks such as planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops. These technologies can help increase agricultural productivity and reduce the need for manual labor. Service robots. Service robots are designed to assist with various tasks in commercial and residential settings. These include delivery robots, cleaning robots, and entertainment robots like social robots that can engage with people. Robotics in space exploration. Robots are integral to space exploration. They are used for tasks such as planetary exploration, satellite servicing, and even the potential future colonization of other planets. Robotic process automation, RPA. RPA involves the use of software robots to automate repetitive and rule-based tasks in business processes. It is widely used in industries like finance, customer service, and logistics to streamline operations. Ethical and social considerations. As robots become more integrated into society, ethical and social considerations are gaining prominence. Questions about robot rights, privacy, security, and job displacement are being actively discussed and researched. Education and research. Robotics is increasingly being taught in schools and universities, and research in the field continues to advance our understanding of robot capabilities and their applications. Customization and 3D printing. Advances in 3D printing and customization technologies are enabling the creation of robots tailored for specific tasks and environments. Energy efficiency. Energy-efficient robotics is an important trend, especially in applications where robots operate for extended periods, such as in warehouses and manufacturing plants. It's important to note that the field of robotics is highly dynamic, and new developments are occurring all the time. As technology continues to advance, robotics will likely play an even more significant role in our daily lives and in various industries.